Welcome to Microbe World, where we explore the hidden universe inside you. Today, we decode a painful mystery lurking beneath the liver. Deep within the shadows of the abdomen, a small, pear-shaped organ rests quietly. This is the gallbladder, a storage tank for digestion. Its primary mission is to store and concentrate bile, a biological dish soap that helps your body break down and digest fats. However, when the delicate chemical balance within this fluid is disrupted, a silent catastrophe of precipitation begins to take shape inside. What was once a smooth liquid transforms into a dangerous solid. This is the story of how golden fluid turns into stone. Bile is a complex mixture containing water, bile salts, pigments, and cholesterol. In a healthy state, these elements coexist in perfect harmony. Bile salts act as the solvent, completely dissolving cholesterol. They ensure that the fat remains liquid and can be easily processed. But problems arise if the liver secretes too much cholesterol due to diet or genetics. The bile salts become overwhelmed and outnumbered. When there are not enough salts to dissolve the excess, the leftover cholesterol begins to clump together, forming tiny, solid crystals. This marks the beginning of a dangerous phase known as biliary sludge. The fluid is no longer pure. It is becoming thick. Biliary sludge is a dense mixture of cholesterol crystals and calcium. It is the precursor to the formation of hard, painful stones. If the gallbladder does not contract strongly enough to expel this sludge, often due to inactivity, the sediment stays and accumulates. Over time, this stagnant sludge begins to solidify. Layer upon layer of sediment builds up, hardening into what we know as gallstones. Under the lens of medical discovery, we see that not all gallstones are the same. They fall into two very distinct categories. The most common type, accounting for 80%, is the cholesterol stone. It usually appears yellow or green due to undissolved fat. These stones are the direct result of excess blood fat and a diet rich in saturated fats, overwhelming the body's dissolving capacity. The second type is pigment stones. These are typically black or dark brown and form when bile contains too much bilirubin. They are often caused by blood disorders or infections in the biliary tract, creating a different kind of chemical imbalance inside you. Surprisingly, gallstones can remain silent for years. They may sit quietly at the bottom of the gallbladder without causing any immediate pain. The real danger begins when a stone decides to move. A fatty meal triggers a contraction, pushing the stone towards the exit. Disaster strikes when the stone gets stuck in the neck of the gallbladder or the common bile duct, creating a blockage. The gallbladder tries desperately to squeeze bile out, but the exit is blocked. This intense pressure causes a severe cramping attack. This results in a sharp, agonizing pain in the upper right abdomen. It is a signal that your body is in distress. The pain often radiates, traveling through the nerves to the back or the right shoulder blade, making it difficult to find relief. Through the lens of the World Decoder, we ask, why are women more susceptible? Science identifies a pattern known as the 4F rule. First is female. The hormone estrogen naturally increases cholesterol levels in bile, making it easier for stones to form in women. This hormonal difference creates a chemical environment where cholesterol is more likely to precipitate out of the solution and form crystals. Second is 40. As we reach this age, our metabolism begins to slow down, affecting how efficiently our body processes fats. Third is fat, referring to being overweight. A higher body mass index typically means the liver produces more cholesterol than necessary. Fourth is fertile. Women who have had children experience hormonal shifts that can slow gallbladder emptying, allowing sludge to accumulate. These four factors combined create the perfect storm for gallstone formation. However, understanding these risks is the first step to prevention. To prevent this painful condition, your best weapon is your diet. What you eat can either build stones or dissolve them. A diet rich in fiber is essential. Fiber helps bind to cholesterol and remove it from the body before it causes harm. You must limit saturated fats found in fried foods and red meat. These fats directly increase the cholesterol load in your bile. Never skip breakfast. After a long night of sleep, your gallbladder is full. Eating triggers it to empty, preventing stagnation. When you fast for too long or skip meals, the gallbladder does not contract. The bile sits, concentrates, and turns into sludge. Hydration is also key. Drinking enough water helps maintain the proper fluidity of bile, reducing the chances of crystallization and stones. Regular physical activity keeps your weight in check and improves gallbladder motility, ensuring that bile is regularly flushed out. The difference between a healthy gallbladder and a diseased one often lies in our daily choices and awareness of our body. We have witnessed the journey from a golden liquid to a painful stone. It is a process of chemistry, time, and lifestyle. Ignoring the symptoms can lead to serious complications, such as inflammation, infection, or even a ruptured gallbladder requiring emergency surgery. Regular checkups and ultrasounds can detect silent stones before they become a medical emergency. Knowledge is your best defense. Your body is an intricate machine. Every organ, no matter how small, plays a vital role in keeping you alive and well. By maintaining a balance in your diet and lifestyle, you ensure that this small, pear-shaped organ continues to serve you well. Thank you for watching Microbe World. Protect your health, eat wisely, and subscribe for more deep dives into human biology. Let's dig a little deeper. The liver is the factory where bile is produced, working tirelessly to filter blood and create fluid. Inside the liver, millions of cells called hepatocytes synthesize bile salts from cholesterol, a crucial step in regulating your body's fat. Amazingly, your body recycles. Most bile salts are reabsorbed in the intestine and returned to the liver to be used again. If this recycling process, known as enterohepatic circulation, is interrupted, the risk of forming stones increases significantly due to imbalance. Be careful with crash diets. Losing weight too quickly causes the liver to release extra cholesterol into bile, triggering stone formation. A slow and steady weight loss is much safer. It allows your body chemistry to adjust without overwhelming the gallbladder with cholesterol. Genetics also play a role. If your parents had gallstones, your genes might program your bile to contain more cholesterol naturally. Medications containing estrogen, such as birth control pills or hormone therapy, can also mimic the risk factors found in pregnancy. Modern medicine uses ultrasound as the gold standard. It uses sound waves to detect stones, which appear as bright spots with shadows. For stones stuck in the ducts, doctors may use a procedure called ERCP to locate and remove them without major surgery. If symptoms persist, removing the gallbladder is a common solution. Your body can still digest food, but bile flows continuously. Life without a gallbladder is normal. The liver simply sends bile directly to the intestines, though you may need to avoid fatty meals. Some studies suggest vitamin C helps convert cholesterol into bile acids. Including citrus fruits in your diet might offer extra protection. Surprisingly, moderate coffee consumption may stimulate gallbladder contractions, helping to keep the bile moving and preventing dangerous stagnation. Replacing some animal proteins with plant-based options like beans and lentils can reduce the cholesterol load on your digestive system. People with diabetes are also at higher risk. High blood sugar can damage the nerves that signal the gallbladder to contract. Gallstones and heart disease often share the same root causes: high cholesterol, obesity, and poor diet. Treating one helps the other. Listen to your body. Mild indigestion or bloating after a fatty meal could be an early warning sign of stone formation. Your body is constantly working to maintain balance. By supporting it with the right choices, you empower its natural healing abilities. Remember the 3 pillars of prevention: a fiber-rich diet, regular exercise, and consistent hydration. These are your keys to longevity. Health is a journey best shared. Encourage your family to adopt these habits, protecting not just yourself, but your loved ones. Let us keep the golden liquid flowing freely, ensuring it remains a helpful tool for digestion, rather than a painful obstacle. We are a complex universe of cells and chemistry. Understanding how we work is the most powerful tool we possess. Thanks to medical science, we can now decode these mysteries and take control of our health before problems even arise. If you found this information valuable, share this video. You might help someone recognize the signs of gallstones early on. Curious about the liver or stomach? Check out our other videos to complete your understanding of the human digestive system. This has been a production of Microbe World. We are dedicated to bringing the microscopic wonders of the human body to light. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Start making those small, healthy changes today for a better tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the gallbladder. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the world within. Don't forget to subscribe to Microbe World for more fascinating discoveries. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.